Now you're watching Handed Over TV.
Yeah, let's go. Air Forces, Air Jordans. It's my money, so I buy them if I want them.
What's good, everybody? This your man Kev Hannibal. It's the NYC to SYD. And we back with another video. Y'all already know what to do before we get this started. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Ask any questions that y'all want to ask. And you already know I'm gonna hit you back in a timely manner. I got a lot going on right now. We prepping to do some real good content for this year. So just be patient with me. This is my first rodeo. Pause. And I'm trying to make sure I get it right for y'all. Now, let's just get into this video. This brand has been around since 2010. And I moved here in 2013. Now, this is an Australian brand that I'm just gonna say this first. The quality has always been top notch on this brand. That's one thing that I can always say is whenever I saw product, whenever I saw anything, product, promotion, all of that stuff has always been top notch. But, and there's always a but, I couldn't relate to the brand because I'm not from Australia. And to me, I felt like the brand was very Australian at first, like very, very like deep in the culture. There's something here called Eshe culture. I'm not gonna go into all of that. Y'all could do your own research, dig, figure it out. If somebody wanna put the what they think the culture is in the comments, you do it. Y'all not coming for me. I'm not getting canceled before I get started. So, like I said, I feel like the brand at first was very Eshe, and I just couldn't relate being from the US, being from New York, and being over here. It just didn't resonate with me. So, with that being said, I never purchased the brand. I never hated though. Like I said, the quality's always been top notch. And they've always been at the forefront. Like they exploded when they came on the scene. So shout out to them over there. Between 2010 to 2013, I really don't know what was going on. I'm just giving y'all the information that I found out about the brand after doing my research. But from 2013, when I arrived in Australia, until now, this brand has been doing their thing. But again, I didn't purchase because it gotta have something nostalgic. It gotta have something that I feel like I could relate to in order to purchase or buy into a brand. So, as I just explained that to you, you can see why I never purchased no items. But like I said, I always saluted them and always was like, yo, their quality is on point. If I ever was to do a brand, I want to find out where they get their stuff made at, because it most definitely is some of the best quality, even better than some of the high fashion designers you see in some of the stores. So, if you don't know by now, this brand is called Gdup. This is one of the top Australian brands. Now, something just happened that made me purchase an item. They just did a collab with a greedy genius who I think is one of the dopest designers from New York City, and Vanson. And if you know anything about Vanson, and if you're a New Yorker, you know that Vanson is that's embedded in the culture, like Polo, like Ralph Lauren back home. So they did a collab. I don't even know where it came from. I don't follow the page, so I was late to the party and the items that I wanted sold out. So I missed out. But there was a restock on one of the items. I was able to grab it, but I'm definitely keeping my eyes open for the other item. Anybody over at Geedup that's seeing this video, or anybody that knows somebody over at Geedup that's seeing this video, I need that Vanson leather collab. I need it. I need the black one. The cream is fire. It's so different, but I need that black and white bones collab. So The promotion for this was crazy. As you can see, the pictures, the promotion, the pictures, the whole drop was fire. The way they released this was crazy. So now I'm tuned in, I'm locked in, G'd up, y'all got a fan, and I need this jacket. That's all I need. That's all I'm asking for. So if anybody could find me an XL in this jacket over at G'd up, holla at me. So let's get into it. And it literally came the next day. So on top of them having the best quality, they shipping, yeah. There's nobody else that ships as fast as them other than Supply. Supply ships super fast, but we're not talking about Supply. We're talking about G'd right now. So this is the item, as you can see. Came in a small box. Let's get into it. All right. All right, here we go. And here you have it. The Geedup Vanson collab. Collab hat. Crazy. Let's just get into it real quick. You got the Vanson logo on the front with the Geedup, classic Geedup logo over the top. That's fire. On the side, you got the Geedup logo. In the back, New York, fall winter 2026. And on this side, you got that World Series, like the pennant with the Geedup logo. On the inside, you got your shaper and a sticker in there. I'll show y'all some up close pictures. But yeah, man, I'm gonna put this thing on and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. But I need that jacket. I need that jacket to go with this combo, for real. Salute to Geedup. That collab is crazy. Yeah, I didn't expect that. I did not expect that. As I'm looking, oh, that's dope too. They got the tag on the inside and the QR code. Just checking out the details. On the inside, it's got their slogan, "Play for Keeps." Yeah, man. Geedup, y'all did y'all thing on this one. Definitely. So I'm gonna go put this thing on and then I'll be right back. Stay tuned. And we back. And here you have it. The Geedup Vanson collab. Fits great. I'm loving this. Quality is on point. This is a fire cat. They did their thing. Like I said, I got no complaints. And there you have it. It's another video. Your man Kev Hannibal, Mr. NYC, the SYD, signing out. Make sure y'all keep it locked. And I'm out. Peace.